So what we discussed in the previous class?
I think I will still discuss the hierarchy and all that. Linux hierarchy of that.
Basic Linux commands. The basic Linux commands we'll discussing, right, guys? So today we'll discuss about the what is that, guys? Today we'll discuss about the text processing tools. The basic commands you already know, right, guys? You guys can practice. Okay, you guys can practice the basic commands. So this is nothing but today we'll discuss about the text processing tools. Text processing tools. So as of now we discussed about the the basic commands mkdir, right? So we were not discussed about that the file, how you can create a file, how we can create a file or modify a so modify the file, modify or edit the file, edit the files, right? Today we'll discuss about all these the text processing tools. So the file handling tools are three, guys. So one is touch, the second one is cat, the third one is var vam, visual editor improver. So touch, cat and vam. So what is touch? So touch is nothing but a command. So yeah, so it will create a file but without data. It will create a file but without data. So what is the syntax, guys? The syntax is touch file name. What is that? Touch a file name. So example is touch. So for example, bluejay.txt, right? This is the of touch command. What is cat? Cat commands. Cat. It will it will it will see the it will read the it will read the content of the file. So cat is nothing but to read the file only. What is that? To read the file. Cat is nothing but to read the file. Okay. So it will read the file only. Same like as a yeah. If you want to read this data, or you can read just double click. It will open the file. So if you want to read the file in the Linux, we need to use the cat command. So what is the syntax? Syntax is cat file name. So example. So what is the example, guys? Cat bluejay dot bluejaytech.txt or something like. Okay, it will read the file. So VI and VAM, it is the most important. Is the most important v- command, and this will use regularly in the real time. This will use regularly in the real time. So what is vi? Vi is nothing but a visual editor or visual editor improver. So what it contains? It contains a three modes, guys. What it contains? It contains the three modes. So I will show you. Okay. Okay. So what is that? So text processing tools. Text processing tools, right? Yeah. So VA is nothing but a visual display. So VA is nothing but a visual display editor. VAM is nothing but a visual display editor improved. This is the command mode editor for files. Other editors like Linux or Emacs or Gedit. VA is the most popular editor. What is that, guys? VA is the most popular editor. It has So it has a three modes. So it has three modes. What is the command mode, insert mode, and execution mode? What is content? So it has three modes. One is a command mode, insert mode, and the execution mode. So what is this? This is the command mode. So whenever you create a file, right, VAM file name, it will come to the command mode. If you want to add any data, if you want insert any data into this file, we need to go to the insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By pressing the I in the keyboard. If you press the I in the keyboard, it will directly come to the insert mode. So whatever the data you want to add, you can add it. And so after adding the data, we need to save the file, right? So we need to save the file. So that's the saving of the file is in the execution mode. But so we cannot directly save from the insert mode to execution mode. So again, we need to go to from insert mode to command mode by pressing the escape key button in the keyboard. In the left top corner, there is a escape key button. If you press the escape key button, it will directly go from insert mode to command mode. So if you want to come from command mode to execution mode, you can use the shift plus colon symbol. What is that, guys? Shift colon. It will come to the execution mode. On that execution mode, you can save the file and come out from the file. Come out from the file. Write and quit, write and save and quit, execute. Right? It has a three modes. So it is used to create, read, and edit the files. What it is, guys? VI is used to create, read, and edit the files. So what are those insert mode? What it contains? It contains small I is nothing but to begin the insert mode at the cursor position. Capital I is nothing but to insert at the beginning of the file. A is nothing but to append to the next word letter. A is nothing but to append at the end of the line. O is nothing but to insert a new line below the cursor position. O is nothing but to insert a new line above the cursor position. So the command mode. So this is a command mode. Command mode is nothing but a GZ to go to the end of the page. So shift G, capital G is nothing but a shift G to go to the end of the page. This is nothing but a beginning of the page. This is nothing but ending of the page. W. To move the cursor forward word by word. B is nothing but a to move the cursor backward word by word. NW is nothing but a to move the cursor forward n-words. NB is nothing but a to move the cursor backward n-words. U is nothing but a to undo the last change. Capital U is nothing but a to undo the previous changes. Control plus R is nothing but a to read the changes. Control plus R is nothing but a So control plus R is nothing but to do the changes. So Y way to copy a line, N Y way to copy N lines. So P is nothing but a paste line the below cursor position. Capital P is nothing but a to paste the line above the cursor position. So DW is nothing but a to delete the word letter by letter. So X is nothing but a to delete the word letter by letter. DD is nothing but a to delete the entire line. NDD is nothing but a to delete the n number of lines. Slash is nothing but a to search the word in the line file. Extended mode. Extended mode is used for the save and quit or save without quit using escape key with shift colon. Shift colon W is nothing but to save the changes. Shift to colon Q is nothing but a quit the changes without saving. So WQ is nothing but a save forcefully. So WQ is nothing but a save and quit. So WQ exclamatory is nothing but a save and quit forcefully. So X is nothing but a save and quit. Capital X is nothing but to give the password to the file and remove the password. So SK plus 20N is nothing but to go to the line number 20. SK plus SC set NU. This is a set NU to set the line numbers for the line. So set no NU to remove the line numbers. To remove the line numbers. These are the command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. I will show you guys. I will show you command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. Okay. Guys, understood, right? I will show you. Yeah. What are the mode, guys? Command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So let's open the server, Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, guys. 1 second. Yeah, guys. Sorry. So I'm opening the server, Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, I'm starting the OS, Oracle Virtual Machine. Easy. You are able to hear, right? 122. One 92.168.56.122. Root red hat duplicate, not duplicate session. Change settings, appearance change, bold 18. Okay, apply. Yep, guys. Yeah. Okay. So ls, I am removing everything. RMI fun RF star. Okay, I will tell you guys, no worries. So where I am in the root directory. Here I am creating a file by using touch bluej.txt. Okay, so file is created. So this file is created because of the starting letter is hyphen is nothing but a file. File is created. Okay, so next, so cat bluej.txt. Cat bluej.txt. So what is cat, guys? It will read the content of the file. So right, there is no content. So what is touch? It will create the file, but without data. Without data, guys. Yeah. So this is nothing but a touch and a cat. So I will show you cat. Something like a cat. I'm opening the file through the absolute path. Var log messages. Message is the file. You see, this is the file. How you can read this file? You can read the file by using cat command or else cat /etc or /varlog cron log. You see, guys, this is the cron log. This is also a file. Now you understood cat is nothing but to read the content of the file, to read the content of the file, and VA is nothing but a so to edit, create, or modify the files. VA has a three modes, right? I'm creating a file by using VA bluezetech.com, bluezetech.txt. So I'm creating a file, bluezetech.txt. Where I am in the, which mode, guys? I am in the command mode. So I'm in the command mode. If you want to, if you want to, if you want to insert the data, definitely we need to come from command mode to insert mode. So you need to come from command mode to insert mode. Something like now I am in the insert mode. So where I can add the data, I can add the data to in the insert mode. I can add the data in the insert mode. It is insert mode. Small I is nothing but to begin insert mode at the cursor position. Capital I is nothing but to insert at the beginning of the line. A is nothing but to append the level. Just you need to remember this I. I is nothing but an insert. How you know? How do you know this is a so you are in the insert mode or not? So if you press the I button right in the below bottom, so it will shows the insert. Right now you are in the insert mode. You can add the data. This is a this is the first line. This is the second line. This is the third line. This is the fourth line. Okay, escape w colon, right? So you created the file. Yeah, insert the data, then save the data. So again you go to the execution mode, then and save the file. Let's see cat bluejtech.txt. Yes, the data is added. The data is added. This is the line. This is the first line. This is the second line. Okay. Now again, if you want to modify, you can modify it, right? VA bluejay tech.txt. So right, I want to modify the. So now I am in the which mode, guys? Now I am in the command mode. So if you want to add any data, definitely you need to go to the insert mode. If you want to go to the insert mode, you need to press the I button, right? Now I am in the which mode, guys? Now I am in the insert mode. I want to add the another three lines, for example. This is the fifth line. This is the sixth line. So now I am in the insert mode. I want to save this file or I want to quit this file without save. Definitely we need to go to from insert mode to execution mode. Is it possible to go to insert mode to execution mode? No, it's not possible because of so we cannot go from insert mode to execution mode. Definitely we need to go to the again command mode. Then you need to from command mode to you need to go to the so for command mode to, so if you insert from insert to escape, you can go to the command mode, then command mode to execution mode, then you can save the file and escape. It will come out, right? So yeah, so now I am in the insert mode. Again, you want to go to the command mode. So how you can go to the command mode? By pressing the escape button. By pressing the escape button, now I am in the command mode. If you want to go from command mode to execution mode, definitely you need to go from shift to colon. Shift to colon. Now you are in the execution mode. You want to save, quit, or you want to quit only. So I don't want to save the file. I just quit the file. Just write. Let's check cat bluejay tech.txt. Right? The file is not modified because of I did not save the file. I just quit the file. That's the reason the fifth and sixth lines are not added. Not added. Guys, understood? Yeah. So this is nothing but a VI. So I will show you append. So right. So in the command mode. Now you understood about the extended mode and insert mode. Okay. So we want to see the command mode. In the command mode, beginning of the page, ending of the page, something like here you can check the Y way to copy the line, NY way to copy the number of lines, P paste, DW delete, and X delete the word letter by letter, DD to delete the entire line, NDD to delete the number of lines, the cursor position, slash to search a word in the file, to search the word in the file. I will show you guys. Okay. For example, I'm opening a VI slash var log messages because of this is a big file, right? Where I am in the starting of the file. Where I am in the, so you see guys. So for example, you are ending of the file. If you want to go to the shift G, you see ending shift G means if you press capital G, end of the file. So just a small gg, it will go to the starting of the page, starting of the page or a file. So you want to delete something from the cursor position. Okay, now I am here. So if you press DDDD, double DD, it will delete the line. It will delete the line or something like NYY. So it will or something like 8YY. So 8 lines anchored. You see, 8 lines are, you see, 8 lines are anchored means copied. I want to paste it, just a P. Just P is nothing but it will paste it, guys. Okay. Yeah, you see, it will be pasting the same data. So escape, shift colon. Okay. So now you understood, guys. YYDD. So cursor position, below the cursor position you are seeing, right? Yeah. So this is nothing but a file, guys. This is nothing but a file. How you can read the file, how you can edit the file, how you can modify the files, guys. Guys, understood? And so the text processing tools are head, tail, less more, and grep, pipe. Okay. So what these are? So these are nothing but a text processing tool head. Head is nothing but it will display the top 10 lines from the given document. For example, message is the file. It will display top 10 lines from the given document. Head file name. For example, head Bluejay Tech or messages. Head -5 file name. It will display only 5 lines from the given line. Head 20 file name. It will display only 20 lines from the given file name. By default, it will get the 10 lines. By default, it will get the 10 lines. Tile, it will display bottom 10 lines from the given document. What is tile, guys? It will display bottom 10 lines from the given document. Head is nothing but a top, tail is nothing but a bottom. Okay. So tail, so if you want a 5 lines, you will get it. 20 lines, you will get it. By default, 10 lines. Hyphen F file name is nothing but a hyphen F means follow without the output will not close. The output. So it is writing, right? Keeps writing, the data is keeps writing, right? It will display the last 20 lines. So less or more to read the document page by page and line by line to see the content only. There is no modifications. In less or more to read the document page by page and line by line. To see the content only, there is no modifications. Same like a cat also. Why we are using less or more, why we are not using cat? For example, if the file contains if the document contains 100 pages, if the document contains 100 pages, if you use the cat command, it will display only the screen will display only the one page, but we will not see the 100 pages, right? So that's the reason we use the less or more. So it will display the page by page, it will display the line by line. That's the reason we are using the less more commands. Okay. I will show you. So enter is nothing but a line by line. Spacebar is nothing but a page by page. Less file name, more file name. Grep. Grep searches for the string or keyword from the given document. If you want to search a keyword, for example, that file contains 100 pages, 1000 pages, or something like. I want to search a keyword. I want to display that keyword in the format. So grep searches for the given string or a keyword from the given document. It searches case sensitively and it prints the matching lines. Syntax grep string file name, grep hyphen I string file name. So grep boot. So I will show you. The pipe is nothing but the output of the first command becomes the input of the subsequent command. Subsequent command. Okay, guys. So the word count, I will show you. So word count. Next, copy and move commands. I will show you this one. Later we'll go to that commands. Okay. So what is that, guys? Tail, head, 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 where log messages. It will display the top 10 lines. So if you want to display top only 5 lines or only 6 lines or something like only 3 lines, you can use -3. It will display only 3 lines. If you want 20 lines, you can use -20. It will display the 20 lines. Okay. So if you want to see the bottom 10 lines, you can use the tail command. You can use the tail command. So tail, the tail and the file name. So it will display the last 10 lines. So you want to display the last 20 lines. You see the output came out, the cursor came out from the document. If you use the -F, you see, guys, you see the cursor will not come out. So if you writing, keep writing, it will be changing. These lines will be changing. Okay. Understood? So this is nothing but a head, tail. So next command, less varlog messages. You see, guys, so it display only one page, but it contains how many pages? So if you use the space bar, it will display the page by page. It will display the page by page. If you enter the enter command, it will display only line by line. It will display only line by line. Okay. So if you use more, less or more, what is the difference between less or more? So the simple, guys. You see the percentage. If you use the more, it will display the percentage. If you press the space bar, it will show the percentage, how much percentage of the file is completed. 17%, 23%, 35%, 40, 50, 80. So right, so the 70, 80, 90, 85, 100%, 100% is completed. The file is completed with 100%. Okay. So this is nothing but a less or more. Less or more. So next grep. Right, for example, if you grep the file, grep error varlog messages. In the messages file, we are searching the error, right? It will display the error. Or else you can use cat slash etc, sorry, class varlog messages pipe grep -i error. So what is the difference between grep -i, grep error? So -i is the nothing case sensitive. So if it is in small letters, it will display. If it is in capital letters, it will display. It is in mixed capital and small letters also, it will display. That's the reason -i is nothing but a case sensitive. Okay, -i is nothing but a case sensitive. So before it displays only whatever we searched. Whatever we searched, it will display. You see, so just we searched the small letters, it will display only the small letters. But you search in the grep-i case sensitive, it will display the capital ones, it display the mixed ones, capital and small, and it display the small ones also. Guys understood? So the -i is nothing but a case sensitive. Guys understood? Yeah, space grep also done, the pipe also done. Okay, word count, copy. So what are these copy and move process? What is a copy and move process? Copy is under copy and move commands. What are those, guys?
Mm.
So head, it will display first 10 lines from the given document by default. So syntax is a head file name. What is that, guys? Head file name. So example is head blue jay, or I'm giving absolute path varlog messages. Okay. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax of the file. Okay. Head tail. Head tail. Okay. Tail is nothing but a, so it will display last 10 lines from the given document by default. Okay. So syntax, what is the syntax, guys? Tail file name. What is that? Tail a file name. So what is the example, guys? The example is tail varlog messages. If you use the -f symbol, it will not come out from the document. Come out from the document. Okay. So tail. This is nothing but a head tail. So next, less, less and more. So it will display the it will display the content page by page or line by line. Okay. So more, if we use the more, it will show the it will show the percentage. Okay. So next, grep. Grep is nothing but it will it will it will search the it will search the keyword from the given document. So document, right? So it will give in document. So next, pipe. So what is a pipe? So the first command's output is uh, the first command output is the second command input. The first command output is the second command's input. Okay. So now copy and move. So what are the commands of copy and move? Copy is nothing but to copy the copy is nothing but it is nothing but to copy the file from source to destination and the original file will not delete. Okay. So what is that? Copy source destination. What is the syntax, guys? Copy source and destination. So the options. What are the options, guys? CP options source destination. What is that, guys? CP options hyphen nothing but the hyphen r source, and if you want to copy the directory from one location to another location. Say recursive mode. Hyphen r is nothing but a recursive. What is that, guys? So recursive mode. Is understood? Example, copy bluej.txt to bluejtech.txt. So the original file will not change, but the content of the file will change, and we can rename the file also. Copy bluej.txt to temp. Okay. It will copy the bluej.txt to temp file also. So if you want to copy the directory, cp -r directory name source dir name destination. Okay. So I will show you guys. So options hyphen r is nothing but recursive. Copy the directory. Hyphen v is nothing verbose to see the output of the convert. Hyphen p is nothing but a properties. Don't alter the properties. cp anaconda sample.cfg. So the same file, the original file will not be deleted, but it will copy the content of the file. cp anaconda.cfg to var temp will copying the file from here to here also. cd var tmt copy anaconda.kfg to the same content will be copied in different name. Okay. CP documents var temp. Definitely we need to use the hyphen or for recursive. If you want to move or if you want to copy directory, we need to use the hyphen or recursive symbol. You can what? So hyphen or v is nothing but a verbose. Move command. What is move is nothing but a remove and hide, unhide the file or directory. What is that, guys? The last one is move command. So move is nothing but a mv. So it contains it contains rename comma move and hide unhide and unhide the file or directory file and directory, guys. So it will be rename the file move blue j text bluej.txt. So move bluej.txt to bluejtech.com or tech.txt. You are renaming the file from bluejtext to the bluejtech.txt. So it will replace the file. It will rename the file. The original file will rename it. Move is this is the nothing but a rename. Move bluej bluej.txt. So you are moving it to temp directory. It will move from the original file. The original file will move from here to temp directory. Move bluej bluej.txt. I want to hide the file. I want to hide the file or directory. We can hide it. Okay, unhide. So move dot bluej.txt to bluej.txt. Hiding. So this is nothing but a hide. So in the hide, so we will add a dot in the destination. This is nothing but a hide. This is nothing but a unhide. What is that, guys? Hide and unhide the file and hide and unhide. This is a rename. This is rename. This is moving. This is the moving, guys. Guys, understood? Move command. Remove, hide and unhide the file. Move source name destination to move the file or directory. So move hari.txt to hari.txt1. It is renaming. So this is hiding. So this is unhiding. Right? This is moving, renaming as a case.cfg. So this is to index.html. We are moving it to main.html. Okay. So music to songs. So we are renaming it to music to songs. So I want to unhide the music, unhide the data. So remove command. So what is remove command? It is for removing the file or directory. How you can remove the file or directory? So rm file name. rm file name. So what is that, guys? Remove. So remove is nothing but a deleting rm. So remove or delete. Delete a file or directory. So what is the command? Rm file name, rm options file name. What is that, guys? Rm options. So file name. So options, right? You will use or you will not use. So rm rm hyphen r file name bluejtech.com. So it will not asking the yes or no. It will not ask the yes or no. If you use the rm bluejtech.com, it will ask the permission. It will ask the permission to delete or not, right? So if you want to delete the forcefully, if you want to delete a forcefully, this is nothing but I think directory. So hyphen f is nothing but a forcefully. Okay, rm hyphen r something like What is that? Temp directory. If you want to delete the temp directory, you can use the -r option. Okay, rm directory. If you want to delete any directory, you want to, so it will delete the log directory. rm-r or rm-rf. F is nothing but a forcefully without asking the yes or no. Here it is asking the yes. Here it is not asking the yes or no. So if you want to delete the entire things, you can use the rm -rf star. So it will delete everything. Star is nothing but a everything. Star is nothing but it will delete everything. It will delete everything. Okay, guys, understood? Easy?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Yep. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. We'll
Hello.
continue from tomorrow. Yeah, yeah,
From
easy.
okay, Chris. Please, I want to know if the notes you said you get to across, is this the notes or the videos?
Yeah, this is the notes.
Okay. So
Yeah, I will send you the recording in the YouTube.
okay.
Okay, this is nothing but
Yeah.
a
Yes. So the basic steps on how to install the app. I think I told you about that.
which one?
To how to store the Oracle.
Start Oracle class. Oracle Virtual Box.
Yeah, that's how to install this app that we are studying now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm stop sharing. You can start sharing, and I'm stop recording also.